Welcome back to the online English class. In this video, we are going to learn conjugation of static verbs in all the tenses. Static verbs. What are static verbs? Static means stable, which don't show any action. We have studied tenses in all the 12 forms. These tenses we studied with the help of action verbs. Action verbs show some action. This is why we can use them in continuous tenses. But static verbs don't show any action. They show some fact or some state of being. This is why we cannot use them in continuous tenses. In this video, we are going to see which are such static verbs, how to use them. Forms of to be. To be means is, am, are, was, were and been. Present tense of is, am, are, is, am, are. We call them be also. Past form of is, am, are, was, were and perfect form is been. This you have to remember. Let us see one example. You are intelligent. This sentence is having this structure: subject you, verb are, and complement is this adjective intelligent. This is complement of this verb of incomplete predication, that is are. These verbs are also called as verbs of incomplete predication. This is a helping verb, but it is acting as a main verb here because it is showing state of being. Someone, this subject you means someone is intelligent. This is a state of being that we are seeing here. Now let us see how to use such static verbs in all the tenses. First, simple present, affirmative sentence, you are a good citizen. Subject you, V1 form are, complement a good citizen. Negative form, you are not a good citizen. Interrogative form, are you a good citizen? Interrogative negative, are you not a good citizen? And WH question, why are you a good citizen or why are you not a good citizen? This is how we can use the static verb is, am, are in the simple present tense. Here according to the subject we use is or am or are. Now let us see it in present perfect tense. Affirmative sentence, you have been a good citizen. Here you can see we have used been here and no other verb is there. You have been a good citizen. Been we are using because it is third form, means V3 form of is, am, are, was, were. So with the helping verb have or has, we use the V3 form and been is the V3 form of is, am, are. Now let us see the negative sentence, you have not been a good citizen. After the first helping verb we are using not and making negative. Interrogative form, have you been a good citizen? Interrogative negative, have you not been a good citizen or haven't you been a good citizen? WH question, why have you been a good citizen or why have you not been a good citizen? This is how we have used it in present perfect tense. This have or has, depending upon the subject, show the present tense. If here we use had, it becomes past perfect. Let us see simple past tense. Here only two tenses are possible in all the tenses: simple present and present perfect. Thereafter simple past and past perfect. Thereafter future, simple future and future perfect. Continuous tenses are not possible for static verbs. Let us see the simple past tense. Affirmative. You are a good citizen. This is showing subject plus V2 form. We use V2 form in simple past tenses. And V2 form is were, was or were. Here subject is you. This is why were we are using. Negative, you were not a good citizen. Interrogative, were you a good citizen? Interrogative negative, were you not a good citizen? WH question, why were you a good citizen or why were you not a good citizen? This is how we used it in simple past. Here, if the subject changes, he, if you take he, a singular subject, here we use was. He was a good citizen. So this is how here the main verb we use according to the subject. Now we shall see past perfect tense. Affirmative, you had been a good citizen. Subject plus had plus V3 plus complement. Here had we have used. Been is the past participle or V3 form of is, are, was, were. Thereafter negative, you had not been a good citizen. Interrogative, had you been a good citizen? Interrogative negative, had you not been a good citizen or hadn't you been a good citizen? WH question, why had you been a good citizen? Now simple future, you will be a good citizen. Here formula will be subject plus will plus be plus complement. Now negative sentence, you will not be a good citizen. Interrogative, will you be a good citizen? Interrogative negative, will you not be a good citizen? And WH question, why will you be a good citizen? Now future perfect tense, affirmative sentence, you will have been a good citizen. In future perfect we use V3 form of the main verb after have. So here we are using been. It is V3 form of is, are, was, were. Thereafter negative sentence, you will not have been a good citizen. Not we are using after the first helping verb. It is becoming negative. Interrogative, will you have been a good citizen? Interrogative negative, will you not have been a good citizen or want you have been a good citizen? This way. WH question, why will you have been a good citizen? Any WH word you can use. I have used here why. You can use any other WH word. This is how we used be main verb in all the tenses. We cannot use be main verb in continuous tenses because it is not showing any action. It shows only state of being. If we see such sentences in Hindi, it will be like this: you are intelligent, तुम बुद्धिमान हो. You are a good citizen, तुम एक अच्छे नागरिक हो. In present perfect if we see, you have been a good citizen, तुम एक अच्छे नागरिक रह चुके हो. If we see in simple past, you were a good citizen, तुम एक अच्छे नागरिक थे. You had been a good citizen, तुम एक अच्छे नागरिक रह चुके थे. Simple future, you will be a good citizen, तुम एक अच्छे नागरिक रहोगे. You will have been a good citizen, तुम एक अच्छे नागरिक रह चुके होगे. This is how we can see in Hindi language the meanings of these static sentences. Now I give you a sentence for homework in all the tenses. This sentence you have to write in all the forms and all the tenses given in this video. Your sentence is, you are silent. This sentence you have to write in all the tenses and all the forms, affirmative, negative, interrogative, negative, and WH question. This is your today's homework. Do the homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Take care. Thank you so much.